Taking a look at Walmart today, wow, outperforming everything. Like, look at this. If I just compare this to let's see, WMT compared to, look at that. This spike that happened from May all the way up until July. Well, actually, the market was pretty much going down that entire time, but Walmart, they're just off to the races. So what am I actually looking at right now? So Walmart, pretty much, it went up, it kept going up. It started around $60 and went all the way up to 75 before hitting some sort of resistance and consolidating. Now, if I move this chart in, you're going to see that this consolidation right here, let's go in a little bit further, you're going to see the consolidation right here is actually taking the form of an ascending triangle. So what we can do, just simply, we know that 75, or right about 75, is a very significant resistance level. I think the actual top was, let's see, 75.19 was the highest level that it got. So we can see that that's a very significant resistance level. And also this downward trend line right here, not as significant as a support level, but still important nevertheless. So how can we trade this? Well, first I want to look a little deeper into this pattern to try to find a place where it's going to break out. So this pattern, it actually started on July 19th. So just type in July 19th right here. So July 19th. And we'll say that the pattern must end by the time these two lines cross. So the pattern must absolutely end by November 27th. So you'll see what I'm doing here in just a second. November 27th. And now an ascending triangle, its most probable breakout zone is, it's always about between 5/8 and 3/4 the way of the entire triangle. So one moment, and I'm going to calculate the number of days between July 19th and November 27th, and then I'm going to come out with a time breakout range. So here I am on a site I just found called workingdays.us, and let's see how many days there are between this. So let's see how many business days, trading days that would be. So that would be working days right here. So we have 93 trading days. So what we're going to do, we go back here and we're going to actually we could probably just do this in our head. So we have 93 divided by 8. So where's the calculator? 93 divided by 8, and that gives us 11.625 times 5, that gives us 5/8. So we expect after 58 trading days that there would be a breakout. So let's see, I think that we're not at 3/4 yet, but let's see if we are at 5/8. So 58 trading days, that would put us at, one second, that would actually put us at exactly today, which is October 5th. So October 5th equals 5/8. So what does this mean for us? That means that this pattern is definitely ready to break out. So how are we going to trade this? We are going to, well, you obviously see there's a resistance level right here around 75.23 or 75.25. So the way we are going to trade this, it's going to be a longer term trade unless this can do an upward burst, and by longer term I mean like 2 months. So what we are going to do, we are going to stop buy at, we'll say 75.52, give it enough room to give us a good margin of error. Actually, you know what? We're not going to give it enough room to give us a good margin of error because the breakout level's at 75. So let's actually make this, let's just say 75.36. So 75.36. Never do it in a multiple of 5. They're normally lost sell orders on the way up at 5s and 0s. So stop by at 75.36. Our target will be the distance of this pattern projected upwards. That puts us at a target of just and 75 cents. So target is 80.75. I'm going to be conservative and make it 80.50, so I'll get out there. and that means that we have just about a $5.14 reward, and that's per share. And that means that we're going to give ourselves a nice wide stop on this one. So if I can zoom in here to a 60-day chart, let's see, we would get in, we have a $5 and about $5 risk, so we want to risk about less than $1.50. So let's say we get in at 75.36, and we would set our stop level at right below the previous support point. So that would mean a close beneath 73.50. So does that give us a good number? Let's see, it gives us about $1.75 risk. So I could take that. So it's a bit close to the 3 risk reward ratio, but it's fine for me. So we'll do 73.50 as our stop level. If you want to, you can also add a time stop to this. So stop loss is 73.50. You can also add a time stop to this. So you can say, if this trade does not become profitable in, let's say, 1 week, I'm getting out. So time stop. In 1 week, get out. All right, so there's your trade. It looks like it can do some. It's going to do some breaking out. Now, of course, even looking at the price action for today, it looks like it might want to just hang out here for a while. But we'll see a breakout soon. Like I said, today marks the first day that it's very probable for it to break out. Now, it's going to give us about, I'd say, two, maybe 2.5 weeks, and we'll see a breakout during that period. All right, thanks for watching. Happy trading. Make some money.